Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Learn Korean Lesson 6. Today, we are going to learn about CVC Korean syllables. Let's get started. Korean CVC syllables are formed by combining a first consonant, a middle vowel, and a final consonant. This is the consonant hiet. It makes the H sound. Let's add a vowel A to this. It becomes a CV syllable. We read this as ha. We can make a new syllable by adding a consonant. I will add a consonant nian. It makes the N sound. We just made a new syllable. We read this syllable as han. This consonant is kiyeok. It makes a G or K sound. I will add vowel wu to this. It becomes a CV syllable, gu. Now, I will add a consonant hiyeok to this. A new CVC syllable has just been created. We read this as guk. It's Hanguk. It means Korea. It was formed CVC syllables. As you can see, the final consonant is always placed under the CV syllable. We have already learned about the sounds of Korean consonants and vowels in previous lessons. As you know, Korean have 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonant. All Korean consonants are used as first consonants. However, the rest of the consonants except for the 3 consonants are used as final consonants. The sound of consonants in the final consonant is somewhat different from the one in the first consonant. Now we are going to learn about the sound value of consonants as final consonants. These 3 consonants, kiyeok, kiyurk, and sangkliyeok, make a K sound when they come to the final consonant. As you know, this letter is ba. When adding kia, ki, and sangya, it becomes these 3 letters. These 3 letters have the same sound. It's ba. For more example, these 3 letters have the same sound, boat. These are all pronounced the same sound, ga. These are all pronounced the same sound, muk. At the end of a syllable, the consonant nian has n sound, just as it does at the beginning of a syllable. It's ba. Let's add nian to ba. It becomes bon. It's nu. I'll add nian to it. It becomes noon. When these 7 consonants are placed at the end of a syllable, they all have a D sound. It's ma. I'm going to add each of those 7 consonants to ma. This will create a new character like this. They all have the same pronunciation. That is, mut. It's ya. Add those 7 vowels to it, then we get new syllables like this. They all have the same pronunciation ya. When the consonant leo comes at the end of a syllable, an L sound is made. As you know, it's da. When adding the consonant leo to it, it becomes 달. 달 means moon in English. It's bu. When adding the consonant leo to it, it becomes 불. 불 means fire in English. When a consonant miam is placed at the end of a syllable, it has the M sound in English, as when it is a first consonant. It's go. I'll add the consonant mium to it. It becomes gom. Gom means an animal, bear in English. It's ba. I'll add the consonant mium to it. It becomes bom. Bom means night in English. The consonants b up and p up are both the same sound b, when placed at the end of a syllable. It's e. I'll add the consonants b up and p up to it. They both have the same sound e. This eep means a mouth in English. This eep means leaf in English. It's su. I'll add the consonants b up and p up to it. They both have the same sound su. There is no sound when the consonant iung comes at the beginning of a syllable. But when it comes to the end of a syllable, the sound ng is made. It's ka. When the consonant iung is added to it, it becomes kang. Kang means a river in English. It's pyo. When the consonant iung is added to it, it becomes pyong. Pyong means a bottle in English. Ha. Hat. O. O. Ta. Ta. A. An. 무. 묻. 파. 밭. 거. 컷. 어. 엇. 마. 맛. 꽃. 꽃. 바. 발. 조. 좀. 하. 합. 아. 아. 조. 종. Let's read words below. 집. 집. It means a house. 학교. 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 It means a school. 병원. 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 It means a hospital. 은행. 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 It means a bank. 선생님. 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 It means a teacher. 하늘. 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 It means the sky. 등산. 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 It means climbing. 면접. 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 It means interview. Thank you for watching. See you next class.